So just quickly, while we are stripping this car, it's a quick video on how to remove the throttle pedal from an R50, R52 or R53. This is an R53 automatic, so no clutch. The procedure's the same for the R50, 52 or 53. It's just a 53 has this nice chrome pedal on it. So basically what we're doing is we are looking for this hole down the back here, which you can just about see. See if I can zoom in a little bit on that. There. So you can see there's like a little tab inside there. Now what we need to do is get a screwdriver in there and push it down. So let me just quickly grab a screwdriver. I'll try and keep that in position. It's going to be a little bit awkward because I need to get a screwdriver in there as well. But let us see what we can do. So let's move the camera down a little bit. I need to focus on that. There we go. So we need to basically get the screwdriver in and push down. Like so. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. So as you can see, it is down at the moment. And then what we need to do is try and slide the pedal across to the left, which is the awkward bit. So keep that in there. You have to be really careful because it is very, very stiff on this bottom section. So let me just quickly move the camera to show you what we're doing. So I'm going to bring it over here a little bit. So you can see the screwdriver's wedged in there. It's in that bottom section there. Go down. There we go. You can see that it is sliding across on like a rail. Down a little bit. So on that base bit there, now you can see it's been released. Okay. So, sort of got that far. Put it in again. There we go. And then it'll come off. So, if it stops probably about there, you might put the screwdriver back in again and push that tab down, and then that will push it over a bit more. So you just need to put constant pressure on there whilst also trying to wedge it down. Once it's at this stage here, there is a potentiometer on the back, as you can see here, and those two tabs just push in. So you can see the cable is sort of, let me see if I can just show you that on the back there, it's a bit filthy. You can see the cable is routed, so we'll just pull that routed cable out, free it off a little bit, and then you can see there's some tabs on the bottom there that just need to be unclipped. So let me do that. I'll put you back down for a sec. Watch me pull that out. So it's easy to get out there, and then this bit will probably be a little bit tricky because it probably hasn't come off for a long time. There we go. That's it. You can see it's all on the back there. So obviously you can buy a replacement pedal off eBay or from Mini if you want to, but it'll probably be hugely expensive. But that will just literally go back in the same way it's come out. So route the cable back in the pedal because you don't want to damage it, and then you just do a reversal refitting so it just slides back on there, and that's it, job done. Hopefully that's helped you. If you want to follow more how-to videos, then like and subscribe, hit the bell notification. There'll be a few coming out over the next sort of couple of weeks because we are stripping this car parts, so we might as well make use of it while we're going along. But yeah, it's only a quick 5-minute video, but hopefully it will help you if you're struggling a little bit. Thanks.